Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Admired for its privacy, charm and outstanding view of the Port Antonio Harbor and Navy Island, this country retreat is sited on 1.45 acres of lush land. Aptly named Solitaire, this property is a gem, set alone in the hills of Norwich, Portland. Formerly known as Friends, it was once the home of celebrated Jamaican photographer Ken Ramsey, giving it a distinctive and rich provenance. Solitaire appeals to people who enjoy nature and tranquility. The neighborhood is peaceful but by no means isolated, being a mere 10-minute drive from the town of Port Antonio. Solitaire has undergone a significant renovation by its current owner, and now includes a 2-story 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage and a self-contained 1-bedroom apartment. Herein lies the opportunity to escape from it all, with the flexibility to also run a strong vacation rental business. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew.
I'm just trying to give you something spooky I'll do for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky I'll do for you. I'm just trying to give you something.
The asking price for this house is US $650,000, or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.